Hi, I am Saravanan here, Corporate HR Manager of Akadu Group of Hotels, part of a Cotton Samudra Palace. Along with me, Taslima is here, Assistant Learning and Development Manager. We came here for the campus interview for MGRERI University, Catering and Hotel Management Divisions. Almost we met 30 students part of the campus interview today. It was interesting. We like the students' enthusiasm and their energy, their interest. Especially before we come here, we were expecting their attitude, knowledge, skills, everything. They fulfilled a part of our interviews today. We like outspoken personality part of the interviews. There is no hesitations when we interact with each and every student today. It was very good.
What is the highest room tariff you have seen in the tariff? Who have trained in the front office? 20,000, then 24,000, then 32. We had a room at the Cotton Samudra. 10 rooms in a 2 villas, which is 6 lakh rupees per day. That is the highest room tariff in the city in South India as of now.
Where is Accord metropolitan situated? GN Chechi Road, T-Nagar, correct.
The students of HMCT of Dr. MGR University had done their interviews very well. So we came here for the campus interview for all across the departments like front office, kitchen, housekeeping and F&B service. The students had given us like the inputs what we are exactly looking into it. But few students are much into the kitchen area. So we would like to have some more possibilities of students who can give us the front office, housekeeping and the operational departmental designations can be filled in. They need to look into the front of the house areas.
Today hotel industry is booming in the industry is equal to all other industries. Today hospitality industry needs young fresh bloods in all the areas. It can be a restaurants, it can be a star hotels, it can be a flight catering, it can be a cruise line, it can be abroad or industrial canteen. So many places hospitality industry students expectation is very high. Even other industries are looking for a hotel industry hotel management students based on our attitude, based on our personality, based on our grooming. So looking at this scenario, the industry needs a lot of young bloods, fresh students for our growth of our business. But the output what we are getting it from the industry, it is very less. So now we're looking forward more students to join this course to perform better. The students' expectations, they are thinking a lot in terms of growth aspect, each and every departments, industries, what to do. But nowadays, the students are aware of it one way, the long working hours, or it can be a growth in the industries, in the departments, better than equal to any other professional courses. The salary structure, benefits and facilities in the industries, it is in the benchmark is better than each and equal to other industries, or better than other industries, I can say. Today, the technical course of hotel management has standing into another level comparing to all other technical professional courses. So it was a very good sign in the industries. Looking forward to more students to join in this course to excel in their career. Thank you so much for the hospitality what our MGR Catering Hotel Management Division have shown part of the MGR University. It was excellent. Thank you so much for all your support, and looking for same relationship to continue with our industrial exposure training, our guest lecturing for all the students. We can industry can part of their relationship, part of their first year, second year students onwards to understand what is the hotel industry expectations from the students. So looking forward for the fruitful associations with our colleges. On behalf of Accord and Cotton Group of Hotels and Resorts, thank you so much.
Thank you.